what has the man in the brown suit brought for us today?
Oh my God!
Hey yo everybody, welcome back to the Oh My Mod channel. I'm your host Ohm. Today, well, something came in the mail and I'm happy about it. And well, I figured I'd share the news with you guys. So let's do a little unboxing, shall we? Oh my word, we're gonna have to clear this desk off before we do an unboxing. I mean, we got all this stuff. Oh, look at this fantastic mouse pad I got here, this desk mat. Oh, so beautiful. Well, if you guys didn't know, I've been making my own blue screens and green screens for a while. So I finally ordered an actual professional one. So you get the actual screen. Comes with a couple stands. And well, I'll set it up and show you guys the process and the end results, and we'll get ready for some nice live streams. Hey. Alright, catch you guys in a minute. Alright, cool. All set up. I think our live streams are going to look a lot nicer now. You'll be able to see gameplay around me. It'll be like I'm kind of like a PNG thing going on. And also our video content should be a lot better. It'll allow me to do all kinds of things, you know, who knows. Could put me in a scene like this.
Oh yeah. Nice moves. Make sure you guys smash that like and subscribe for more future content. See you in the next one. Chickadee, chickadee, chow.
Oh